Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Technical Rajput Blog. I hope guys you are very well. So today I was telling about the TCS bad news. If you break the rules, termination. If break rules, because termination is compulsory is happening in every company, because many candidate or many employers just working for the more than 1 years are just breaking the rules because they are not going for the offices for the work from office. They are just in a home doing the work or something like that. So company has just applying the important notice or important news regarding the work from office or onboarding delay update or termination if you break rules. So this is the proof with information, guys. Let's go. Earlier TCS asked to its staff to attend at least 12 day of office in a month. The tech giant had seen a net addition of 821 employee in a January, March and 2023 quarter against the previous quarter when it saw net drop nearly 2200 employee. So guys, they are just TCS asked the employee to attend the 12 day in office month because employee are not working from the office, they are just working from the home. So they are just applying for the more about the you have to work from the office in a 12 day in a month. And guys, so earlier TCS asked the employee 12 day in office. Now according to report TOI, the software company has said every software company has said disciplinary action will be taken if employee fail to adhere to the assigned work roster. Because every TCS, Wipro or Infosys, every company is doing this, because in a company the employer are not working from the office, they are just working from their home. Or evenly company have just asked from the employer, you can work from the office evenly in a month, 12 days in a month, but they are also not working in the month. So TCS failed to adhere to assigned work. You are warned and directed to start reporting to work from office location assigned by the company. Location assigned by the company according to the assigned roster immediate effect. Read the memo according to the report by the so company have also the memo report again by the TOI, Times of India. Last October, TCS implemented a policy requiring employee to physically attend the office 3 days per week. Over the past few months, TCS is actively encouraging associates in India to resume working from the office. TCS witnessed net addition at 21 employee in January March a quarter. A previous quarter was when it saw net nearly drop 2022. So there was a drop in a candidate employer, those who were working in office, but there was a condition was apply for the in previous there was a 3 days working in office, but a company has also applied for the 12 days working in a month because of every week in a 3 days. But evenly the employer are not working from the office, evenly having the notice or regarding period. So many candidates also got the termination letter due to this impact. So according to the CNBC TV 18, TCS witnessed an addition in 2020 by April Financial Company. Result for the Q4 released on April 12, so is taking the TCS workforce itne something fiscal. According to LinkedIn report, TCS recognized as a leading workplace in India with Amazon, Morgan Stanley following closely behind in terms of financial performance. So guys, this is the main thing is happening. If you get the any mail regarding the work from office, so guys, please, I just requesting you work from office, because this time company is not taking as a granted, because they are just terminating the offer letter or something like that. They are just rejecting every candidate who was not working from the office in recently in the past few days ago. There was information also from the Mint also. India IT major TCS has sent memos to employer who violated the work from office dikkat. And Tata Consultancy Services has asked employee to attend 12 days in office in a month. Now the software company has said in memo that disciplinary proceeding will be initiated. Employee float to the roster. If you guys, employer or something, has you working for more than 1 to 2 years, you're not working from the office, evenly the company has given you a notice or something notice period, then you will be get the rejection 100% get within a few days. According to the all campuses buzzing energy want all employee to be part of vibrant ecosystem. TCS onboarded 44,000 fresher and highest even number of experienced professional by 23. TCS made net addition 24 employer headcount quarter ended March 2020 period. So guys, this is the full data analysis from the company side. Just I'm giving to you. Each and every company is also wanting, because Accenture is also, Capgemini is also, Wipro is also wanting to work from office. So evenly most of the companies doing the same things. So I think guys, you will take it as granted, and please guys, work from the office as a take it not as a notice period like that, take it as a granted, because every company is doing like the same thing. So the total workforce TCS has said the FY20 they added the employee on a net basis emerged the Amazon, Morgan Stanley something, all the data analysis have you seen in this video only. So guys, this is about the onboarding update. TCS is going to be onboarded again and again, because they are giving it 2 to 3 days ago. About the Wipro, Infosys, Capgemini, as the information I have not got with the with proof. As I get the information, I will further share with you information information with evenly about the Elite or Turbo phase. Who will not get the information about the Turbo or Elite, something will be onboarded within a month or not. There was any information I will share with you guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Jai Jawan, Jai Kishan.